Hello friend, welcome to my HTML tutorial. In this video, I am going to create a simple web page by using HTML. Okay. In my first video, I told you that what is our requirement to run a HTML language. So, open Notepad. First, within angular bracket, type exclamator doc type HTML that indicate the current version of HTML, and the current version is 5. After very fast things comes after doc type HTML is the HTML element. Here is the starting HTML and there must be an closing HTML, and everything is between this HTML element. Okay, and we know that HTML has two sections. One is head section, another is body section. First come to the head section. Okay, we need a head tag and also we need a closing tag. Okay, then comes to the body section. Then we need a body tag and also we need a closing tag, because every tag must have a closing tag. Okay, come to the head section. Head section contains lot of information about page itself, but from now put title element inside the head section. Okay, in title element there must be an starting title tag and closing title tag. Okay, suppose our web page title is View Odisha. Okay, after that we have to save this file. Go to file, then save as, and save as on desktop. File name is buo and extension of file name is html. So buo.html, save, then click here. As you can see, View Odisha is our title, and this title as shown in the title bar of web page. Okay, then come to the body section. In body section contain hyperlinks, heading, text and etc. But in this video we can insert some simple heading and some simple text. Okay, first thing we need is a heading and denoted by H. For first heading we can use H1 tag and also a closing tag. Suppose our first heading is Barampur University. Then save the file. Okay, go to file, then save, click here and refresh. This is our first heading. Under first heading we want to write some paragraph, and P is used for paragraph, so we want to create starting P tag and closing P tag. Suppose our paragraph is Barampur University is one of the best university in Odisha. Professor Govind Joseph Chakrapani is our Vice Chancellor. Okay. Then save the file and refresh here. Okay, it just look like. There is one question in your mind: if I will change the position of P tag, is there is any change? Look, there is no change. Okay, then I want to create another heading H2, so there must be an starting tag and closing tag. Suppose our heading is computer science department. Okay, then save the file, go to file, save and refresh here. As you notice that second heading is little bit smaller than first heading, because any text inside the head tags is displayed different depending on the heading number. HTML defines six levels of heading which are defined with the H1 to H6 tags from highest level H1 to the lowest level H6. H1 is the largest heading tag and H6 is the smallest one. So H1 is used for most important heading and display in large font, and H6 is used for least important and display in smaller font. Example is shown on your screen. Okay. There is one question in your mind. There are six levels of heading H1 to H6. If we write H7, then what is our output? For an example, this is our H7. Okay. Then save the file and refresh here. Look, there is no change in font, and let's take another heading H8. Okay. Look, there is no change. There is no another heading. It's in same heading. Okay. Also, there is another question in your mind. Is it case sensitive or not? Means if you write capital H instead of small h, is there any error message, or what is our output? I have no idea. Let's see. Okay. Save the file and refresh here. Look, there is another header file. Means there is no case sensitive in HTML. Okay. Now we can create another paragraph under second headline, and that paragraph is I am a student of computer science department. There are 5 lectures in a department. Okay, then save the file and refresh. This is our simple and first web page by using HTML. I will see you guys in next video.